if you have any kind of skin problem, this mask can help. If you haven't heard of Ubtan, then you should know that this Ayurvedic mask is not only used by brides before the wedding ceremony, it's also used by celebrities around the world because of the difference that it makes even with just one use. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can also make this powerful mask with simple ingredients available in your kitchen. So if you're ready, let's begin. To make the Ubtan mask, you'll need 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder or paste, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal, 3 teaspoons of chickpea flour or besan, half a teaspoon of neem powder, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, and a pinch of turmeric. Here's how I make it. To make the sandalwood paste, I use a sandalwood bark and a piece of grinding stone. You can also use sandalwood powder instead. I just poured a few drops of water before I rolled the sandalwood piece over the stone in circular motion. And that'll extract the sandalwood from the bark, making it sandalwood paste. Sandalwood is a natural astringent that tightens the pores, so the skin appears super smooth and naturally radiant. It also relaxes your senses because it has a soothing smell. To this, I'm going to combine 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. I like to powder the oatmeal before I mix it in. Oatmeal is ideal for all skin types because it's an excellent moisturizer with skin healing, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and itch-relieving benefits. To this, I'm going to mix 3 teaspoons of chickpea flour. Chickpea flour or besan is rich in rejuvenating vitamins such as vitamin A, B, and C, which provide a natural glow to your skin. To this, I'm going to mix in half a teaspoon of neem powder. Now, neem, if you didn't know, has antibacterial properties and it fights acne-causing bacteria, which helps the treatment and prevention of acne and pimples on your skin and also keeps your skin healthy. This is fennel. Fennel is a wonder herb from the parsley family known for its cleansing properties. I like to powder this before I mix in half a teaspoon. This helps to unclog the pores by pulling in excess oil, dead skin cells, and dirt. And it also helps to prevent wrinkles. Fennel is also used for removing ingrown hair. Turmeric is a natural medicine. It's antiseptic and it has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to clear out skin pigmentation. All you need is a pinch, otherwise it can stain your skin. And if it does, all you need to do is just wash it off with a cleanser and water. I'm going to combine all these ingredients together and mix it by using some water. You can use this mask on any skin type. Now, if you want that extra cleansing, for oily skin, you can also use rose water instead of regular water. And for dry skin, you can mix in some milk or yogurt. Now for the application, make sure to start with a clean face. Remove any makeup that you have on and use a cleanser. I've been loving Tula, the cult classic purifying face cleanser, but you can use any cleanser that you prefer. I take my time to gently massage it all over my face, and it's a gel-based cleanser that purifies your skin, removes all the dirt, oil, impurities, and makeup without drying your skin. And this is great for normal dry combination and oily skin. And if you're looking for a good drugstore dupe, I absolutely love Aveeno. I'm going to link both of these in the description box right below this video. After rinsing this off, I use a warm towel on my face to open up the pores. Now, if you have a steamer, that's ideal, but I want to show you something that's very beginner friendly, something that you can do on the go and you don't have to spend too much time on it, and it's non-messy. All you need to do is gently press in a warm towel on your face to open up all the pores because we want all the powerful ingredients to be absorbed inside of the skin as well. I do this for a couple minutes until the towel is warm. Now the skin is prepped and ready to apply the mask. These silicone mask brushes come in so handy. It's so easy to use these. I bought it off of Amazon and I'm going to use this to apply a thick layer all over my face. Here's what the Ubtan mask does to your skin. It enhances your skin texture and glow. It fights skin aging. It naturally exfoliates the skin. It removes any suntan or sun damage. It provides hydration and makes the skin soft and supple. It clarifies the skin. It removes blackheads, whiteheads, and other imperfections. It cleanses the skin naturally. It soothes irritation, inflammation, and swelling. And it calms your face and body. Because this is a natural Ayurvedic mask, there's barely any side effects. If any, it could be because of an ingredient that you used in this face mask that you can completely avoid. I wait for this to completely dry up. It takes about 30 minutes for me, but you can keep it on for about 20 minutes before you rinse it off. It's been about 30 minutes and it's completely dry, so I'm going to rinse it off with some cool water. Take your time to wash this off because the chickpea in this mask makes the mask stick to your face. So the key is to dampen your face before you slowly take it off. As you can tell, the face feels super fresh. I always finish up with a serum, and today I'm going to be using the Tatcha, the Essence. This is a skin boosting treatment. It has Japanese superfoods proven to hydrate, resurface, soften and plump the skin. You can use any serum that you have, or you can also use a moisturizer. Here's a before and after comparison. What a big difference it makes. You'll be happy even if you use it just one time. I recommend any face mask not more than twice a week because I like to change up face masks and I like to feed my skin with all sorts of things. So I like to use this twice a week. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'd love to incorporate more of the Ayurvedic skincare regimen in my videos because it has helped me so much along the way. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.